Thank you for checking out Mark's Dev channel. Today's video is going to be about how to capture the entire full page in one single screenshot using Google Chrome and Firefox. Before we begin, I publish new videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I put out a new video. So I have 3 methods for you, so be sure to watch the entire video to pick out which one is easier for you. So let's get started with the first one. So let's say I have this article right here, and as you can see, it's a really long page. Now previously I would capture bits and bits of this page, and then I would join those screenshots that I've captured, which would be a pain in the rear view. It takes a lot of time to capture those separate screenshots. So in order to capture this entire page in one single screenshot, all I have to do is click on these 3 dots right here, and then go down below and where it says more tools, and click on developer tools. If you're using Windows, then you can press F12 to get to this. On a Mac, you would have to press Option Command I. Now once you get to this view, you'll see that depending on how it shows up, sometimes you can open up this part of the page and it might show up in a small view, like a mobile view. All you have to do is change this to responsive. One thing you want to make sure is you adjust this page according to how you want it to come out. So in this case, I don't want to capture this left hand side navigation menu, so I'll try to adjust it to this size because I want to capture this article only. So now that I have my view of what I want to capture, I'll go ahead, and then if you can see right here, there's 3 dots. So I'll click on that. Here you will see that it says capture screenshot and then capture full size screenshot. Now with capture screenshot, it's going to only capture what you're looking at right now, what you can see. But what we are interested in doing is capture full size screenshot. So I will click on that, and that will generate my page. So as you can see, there's a file that has been downloaded right now. So if I click on this and click open, you will see that the entire page has been captured. So if I zoom in here, you will see that this entire page has been captured. That's the first method to capture the entire page. So after you're done capturing this the screenshot, in order for you to exit this view, all you have to do is click this, and that will take you back to your normal view. So basically that's the first method. The second one I want to show you is through Firefox. Now through Firefox is much easier. All you have to do is open up the page that you want to capture, click on these 3 dots on any page that you visit, and then you will have these options. So you click on take a screenshot. So when I click on that, you can see that I have 2 options on my right hand. I can either save the visible part of the page, or I can save the full page, which is going to capture the entire page. And by the way, you can also capture sections. As you can see, when I hover around, it's showing me some sort of selection. You can capture just those, but we're interested in capturing the entire full page, so I'll click save full page. And the cool thing about this is that it gives me a preview. It's not that perfect. Sometimes you might have some things pop out. The page is not showing exactly how they would show they look like, but it does give me a preview, which is kind of nice to see what I'm basically capturing. And once I feel satisfied with what I've captured, all I need to do is click download, and that will download the file, and then you can access it in your downloads folder. So for Firefox, it's pretty straight. It's not complicated. Just open up the page and then click on 3 dots and then select take a screenshot, and then select whichever you prefer. So that's it for Firefox. Now for the final method using Google Chrome is very easy. I prefer this method actually. So all you need to do is install an extension, and I'll put the link in the description below for the extension page. So it's very simple. All you have to do is install this extension. It's called Go Full Page, and this will actually make it so easy for you. And once you have the extension installed, all you have to do is click to open the extension. I'll actually put this extension right here so that I can see it quickly. That's how you can stick it right here so that you can access it quickly. You click on that, you take it away, click on that to bring it back. So now that I have this page, all I have to do is click on this, and then I just wait for it to capture the entire page for me. So as you can see, it's capturing, and when it's done, you can see that it opens up the file in a new tab, so you can preview and see what you've captured. So it has captured the entire page. The good thing about this extension is that it doesn't have the weird stuff that Firefox does, where it misplaces some items of the page and they look a bit weird. So this gives me the entire view of how the page was viewed, which is kind of nice about this extension. After you're done capturing the page, all you have to do is click download as a PNG. Now you can also capture this as a PDF, so you can save this as a PDF, which is kind of nice. So for example, if I wanted to send this article to someone, I can send it as a PDF, or maybe just if I wanted to print it, I would save it as a PDF in order to print it. I find this very, very helpful, which is why I think this is the best method. But I'm interested in knowing what you think is the best method. So please leave a comments down below. So you go ahead and click on download that, and then you click allow. Since I've just installed this for the first time, it's asking me to allow it to save files in the downloads folder. So I'll click allow, and then the file will be downloaded. So if I click open right here, you can see that I've captured the entire page. So I can zoom in, and you can also save it as a PDF. So I'll click on download it as a PDF. The PDF has been created, so if I open that, you can see that it's clean, you know, like it's a clean PDF that's ready to be printed. So that's how you capture a full web page in Google Chrome and Firefox. So please let me know down in the comments which method you prefer. And if you find this video very helpful, please share this with someone you know who is struggling, who's capturing screenshot one by one, scrolling one by one. So this would be very helpful for them to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.